actually at that time I was hectic, really super hectic, and that's why I just read through and then make a conclusions. So without asking any further. So that's why. So yeah. So this one, apologize for my understanding, and also I apologize for those WhatsApp that I haven't read, and very it take ages for me to reply because really hectic. For the transactions, I made the transactions to buy some goods, so there was a problem with that one. So that's why uh, last week was really hectic until the end of this year, perhaps. Okay, I think I need to turn off my Telegram because I did turn off, but I don't know why it's still like uh, beeping all the time. Hang on. How to turn it off it, yeah. And my WhatsApp too. Where is my WhatsApp? Oh, here. I don't know how to turn it off my Telegram though. Okay. So you can hear the beeping is continuously like that. That's why I really apologize for you. I cannot read for the whole message. And okay, so here, now we start, yeah. Uh, yeah, time flies. So, December is finally arrived here, and it is nearly to the end of the year. Times really goes by so fast. So when we are having fun, um, time flies very fast. You think? And I think I have fun for being less hectic in the past 5 months when I lost most of my students, something like 80% of my students. I think I really enjoy that because yeah, it's time for me to relax, to sleep, yeah, stay back, for example, like that. So now this is I need to fight for. And yeah, people go in and out of our life. You must never miss the opportunity to tell these people how much uh, they what I cannot read. They mean to you. Okay, so here um, we last night I read in the tick.com that this one the holiday in December. There will be 24th December, cuti bersama hari Natal, and Jumat, 25th of December, libur nasional. So national holiday, and Thursday, 31st December, pengganti cuti bersama hari raya Idul Fitri. And Friday, 1st January is national holiday, yeah. So just wonder, what is your holiday plan? So I know that it's still in a pandemic, and maybe some of us choose stay at home or staycations or vacations. So here, what is the difference between staycation and vacations? So does anyone know? So you can raise your hand if you want to talk or if you want to share your holiday plan. I welcome. Okay, so no one. Then here, this is the difference between stay at home, staycation, or vacations. So of course, stay at home is the cheapest, um, and no need time to travel as well. And mm, oh, from Natalia said no plan, miss. Good morning. And from Putu, staycation, stay in in the vacation that you are visited. And vacation is place that you visit, I think, miss. Okay. So from Sundari said staycation holiday, but stay only at the hotel. And oh, stay at home. Oh, okay, okay. Stay at home, yeah. Okay, so from Alphon, I don't even go to any place for holiday due to making a learning video. Wow, what are you making? I mean, what learning are you making, Mr. Alphon? Hi, hi, Herlani. Glad to see you here. So, what is your plan, Herlani? I know you live in a beautiful island in Bali, right? So from Mr. Alpon, I'm an English teacher. Oh, by the way, all right. Wow. Nice to know you. Well, actually, honestly, I'm not an English teacher in a high school. I was a business studies and economics teacher. So that's why I'm quite nervous here. My English is not perfect though. So I just a facilitator for you to practice your English. I know also some of you are much better than I do. So yeah. So does anyone want to share your plan? Are you going to stay at home or staycations or vacations? Actually, yesterday I searched in Google what is the difference between staycation and vacation. Did I mention here? Hang on, yeah. Why I cannot go? Hmm? Why my computer stuck? I cannot move. How to go back? Oh, here. Okay. So okay, now I can. So here, stay at home, of course. I think you know, yeah. No need, no need time to travel, and no need to spend the accommodations and everything. But I know sometimes we get bored staying at my own house. So staycations is what I read information in Google. It says that it doesn't need uh, to stay overnight, but at other website I read they just stay in a hotel, like what you say. So actually, this confused me. And in staycations, you can share time with your loved one and your family in a hotel, or and you make a trip actually. So you enjoy the travel maybe by car or by a plane to go there, and well, maybe not by the plane, it's just in a short distance of their home, yeah. So for example, the common activities, maybe you can enjoy swimming or visit a local park, or yeah, I think something like that. So what is the advantage of a staycation? Maybe generally cheaper than vacation, and last travel time. Vacations normally they fly. they go abroad. That's what I read in information in a Google. Actually, honestly, this is the first time I know the difference between staycation and vacation as well. So, so you need time to plan and to buy the flight ticket, and or maybe you just go by the train, for example, to go to another country. Of course, not Indonesia. Yeah, when you live in a Europe, you can just go by the train or by the bus just to cross the border. So that's, they call it vacation. And other than that, can you tell me what is the advantage of staycation rather than vacations? Hang on. I need to, where is it? Okay, so here I need to read again your chat. So I will go, from Andre, I will go to my hometown, Surabaya, from Jakarta by adding time off together, and then vacation in Bali with friend for 1 week. Wow, excellent. Actually, I have a plan also to go to Surabaya to visit my uncle. Okay, so from Alpon, you just stay at home. Coronavirus is everywhere. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm afraid. Actually, this is just a plan. I still consider if I dare to do it or not. So because to go there, I need to go by flight. It is not possible for me to drive alone to go there. Okay, from Mrs. Harlani, I still trying to find villa for the whole family gathering together. Wow, that's fun. Yeah, and from Mr. Putu, who lucky I? Oh, how lucky are you? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Great to hear that. So, does anyone know um, the benefit of staycation compared to vacations? Oh, typo. Okay. 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 Get it. Uh, I think staycation is cheaper than a vacations, yeah. And other than that, we are Indonesian people. When we want to go abroad to do going vacations, we need to apply visa first. Uh, of course, some country like Singapore or Malaysia, they didn't require us to apply the visa. Yeah. Okay. So other than that, wow, Mr. Putu wrote that much. Vacations merupakan kegiatan liburan dengan berpergian ke suatu destinasi wisata baik dekat maupun jauh. Sedangkan menurut Sociola.com, staycations yang merupakan hubungan kita dari stay and vacation, right, memiliki arti berlibur di rumah dan atau mengunjungi area yang berada tak jauh dari lingkungan tempat tinggal from. Oh, okay, got from the Google, Miss. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's why that's confusing, yeah, the definition between staycation and vacation, yeah, because I check into two websites, they have different explanations. So yeah, I think staycations, it's maybe it's a short destination, but according to the website that you found, Mr. Putu, it said vacations can be both uh, short distance or long distance, yeah? Okay, so this is quite confusing. Yeah, so we just discuss the short distance distant vacation and a long distance vacation, yeah. So And long distance, when you go abroad, of course, you need to arrange your visa. But this day, you don't need to exchange the currency anymore because you just use the credit card and they will count the exchange rate. But before, when we want to go abroad, we always prepare some of their currency or yeah, the banknote. Okay. So actually the benefit of staycation, I mean the short journey, you didn't go abroad, you will not get any jet lag. And maybe you can bring your pet easily if you have a pet, and of course less travel time and less budget as well. Okay, so here when you travel long journey, then you will perhaps you go abroad, maybe you can experience the different culture and also the food, the authentic or traditional food. Yeah, you can enjoy, try to explore. So from Mrs. Irene, if you have a villa, for example, in Puncak, and you go there to stay for a week, can I be called a staycation? Mm, yeah, perhaps actually, I don't know the definite, I mean the exactly definitions for staycations and vacation right now, Mrs. Irene, because we found a different explanation in Google. So any other people wants to correct me? So you are welcome. I mean, you welcome to share your idea. Okay, so this picture actually in Villa Samadhi in Kuala Lumpur, I took it from their website. So this is the courtesy of villasamadhi.com. Yeah, I hope I can be here. It seems very nice. Okay, next. It's stuck again. Okay, here. So yes, this one I found it in Google. So staycations, what we know here, we just stay in a hotel for a couple days or so with our family or only with your loved one. Okay, so screen has stopped. Oh, why it stopped? Hang on. Why it stopped sharing? Okay, so here I think I share this one, yeah. Share computer sounds. Okay, so now here I took it from this website from Klook.com. So here refreshing dengan menginap di hotel untuk staycations. Yes, this one. The definition of staycation mean to stay overnight in a hotel, yeah. And there are, so this is the recommendations to stay in Jakarta. And so this is the picture. So you can get a free lunch, yoga class, late checkout, and upgrade room. I think this one in, I don't know. Okay, so here the number one is Swiss Hotel Pantai Indah Kapuk. So it's like this. Does anyone here like to do staycations? Well, me,
No, miss.
no. So that's not your hobby, yeah, to do something like this.
Spend money, miss.
Oh, so The problem is your budget. Maybe we don't have any budget for doing this one, yeah? Staycations. Better stay at home, yeah? Or vacation. Okay, so yeah, here still in Swiss Hotel, Big Avenue. Okay, here. Oh yeah, that's the price is 1.351.000. So here the Mercure Hotel Pantai Indah Kapuk. It's like this. Sometimes it's fun just to see the picture. Just imagine to refresh our eyes, I think. And this is in Raffles, Jakarta. Yeah, so many other hotel destination that we can choose here in Jakarta. So, okay. So from Mr. Putu, vacation is better, I think, miss. Yes, I agree with you. So I don't like stay in the middle. I don't like to staycation. I prefer to just stay at home or vacation. Just enjoying the hotel is not my hobby though. I like traveling, but I don't like staycations. Uh, but I know some of my students always, I mean, really often to staycation at the hotel. Okay, so then I share another one. Hang on. Wait. So we go back to here. Okay, so this is the view. It's really, I think, relaxing because you don't need to cook anymore. So the breakfast will serve you on bed. And okay, so here is, oh yeah, last week, Mrs. Grace shared about the Belitung Island. Is Miss Grace is here? Miss Grace is not here, yeah? So I share the picture because last time we don't know how beautiful is Belitung is because I've never been there as well. So right now I share this one. And actually, I I want to hear your experience to have vacations maybe abroad or just vacation. Yes, from Mr. Putu said that a fantastic point of view. Anyone want to share your experience um, or maybe the culture shock as well? So I welcome you to raise your hand if you want to talk or just writing down. So here we practice, yeah, we more hands-on, minds-on as well. So um, yeah, we just try to learn English with fun. So don't be afraid to make mistake. So you don't care about the grammar first. The first thing you dare to speak, to talk, to share your experience here, so we can learn from your yes, from your experience. Okay. So here, I think you know this one where it is. If I'm not mistaken, last week, Mrs. Grace mentioned about Tanjung Tinggi Beach. and Tanjung Kelayang Beach, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the picture of it. So I would like to go there somewhere after the coronavirus is over. So here, and this one is my destination. I think you know where it is, yeah? Well, I never been to here though. So anyone here from Surabaya? I think you can share the recommended places. Okay. So then, so no one here stay from Surabaya? I think none of you. So what is the favorite destination in Surabaya? Or Mr. Tony, do you want to share about Semarang?
No, Miss.
So do you live in Semarang, Mr. Tony?
Iya, Semarang, cuma ini sekarang lagi di Surabaya, Miss.
Oh, you are at Surabaya.
Ya.
So are you visiting your relative or just vacation?
Staycation, Miss.
Right. Okay. From Herlani, can we know how many students join in this class? Oh, so Mr. Tony, someone asked you how many students join in this class? Right now is 31 though. But I don't know in a WhatsApp group because I didn't join in the WhatsApp group. Oh, 200, yeah. Okay. So, but maybe in a, in a weekend, everyone like to sleep over. I mean, they cannot get up early. So that's why. Yeah, because during in the evening, in a weekdays, um, I don't have time because I have private students in the evening on the weekdays. But in a weekend, my private students normally in the morning, but except on Saturday, on Sunday, I share my time with you all. Oh, is there any student from Bali? Yes, Mr. Putu is from Bali. Yeah, that's right. So Mr. Putu is from Bali. And Miss Harlani, what is your Christmas plan? Christmas holiday plan? I know this is at the end of this year, yeah. This is quite different because we all of us stay in a pandemic situations. Miss Harlani, do you want to speak, to talk? You can unmute. From Harlani. Oh, hi, nice to meet you. We plan to stay. Maybe if it is taking your time to type, so maybe you can just talk. Mr. Tony, is it possible for them to unmute by themselves?
Bisa, Miss.
Oh, bisa ya. Okay. So anyone who want to practice
Hello.
speaking, I welcome you, yeah?
Hello.
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 Yeah,
Can you hear me?
sure. I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Can I talk?
Sure. Yes.
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Herlani from Bali. Nice to know you, all of the
To know
students in
you
this
too.
group. Okay. Our plan is going to find some villa to stay with the whole family. But it seems that nowadays Bali is very crowded. A lot
Mhm.
of villa are fully booked,
Right.
and we still afraid to stay in the hotel because if
Mm,
we stay in villa, we can stay by ourselves.
right.
No other people around.
I see. Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
So are you also going to stay there until New Year,
No, we just plan to stay about 3 days from 24, 25, and 26.
26?
Yeah.
Right. Wow.
And how about
That's
you?
me. I'm planning to go to Surabaya visiting my uncle because I think my uncle is still sad right now. He
Why?
got problem. Yeah, sad because he got a problem. He missed his daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, yeah, they have like a small problem, so fighting to each other. So I hope I can reunite them.
Okay. So be careful if you come to Surabaya because the pandemic is still very strong there. It's a
Right,
little bit
yeah,
dangerous.
I see. Anyone who wants to give me tips to go by flight to Surabaya, is it safe? Mr. Tony, are you going to Surabaya by plane or by car?
Yeah, use her car.
Oh, use your car. So there is no any difficulties to go by car, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, because if I have to travel by plane, I think I need to do a rapid test, yeah. Anyone have any experience to travel by flight during the COVID? And do I need to be quarantine when I arrive in Surabaya? Or Miss Harlani, do you know?
No,
No, yeah.
I'm still afraid to have a trip. You
I
know,
see.
for the old people, it's very risky to go uh, by by bus or by plane. It's very risky.
Right, yeah, by public transport, yeah.
Yes.
I see. So, okay. Any other thing you want to share with us, Miss Harlani?
Maybe I just want to give that learning is not limited, not only for the young people, but learning is also for the elderly people. Is it
Right.
right, Mr. Tony?
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
you know,
All right.
you know that we have organization, we call it Wulan.
Sorry,
Wulan
what?
is
Ulan?
Wulan.
Uh-huh.
Wulan is warga usia lanjut,
Oh,
and the age of them are 60 plus.
I see. So I think you are the same age as Mrs. Irene, yeah.
How old is
I'm
she?
not mistaken, yeah. Miss Irene is here. I think she's also around 60.
No,
Correct me
I'm
if
not
I'm wrong.
60.
Sorry,
I'm
you.
sep-
Oh,
I'm six.
yes.
I'm 76, almost
Wow.
77.
Wow. Excellent. But your faces look younger than 77.
Thank you. We have a three. I have a three friend join the Mandarin class
Oh, from learning
from
center.
this.
I mean,
Yeah, from the Wulan organization.
all right. I see.
So this is the much motivation for the young people, and don't
Mm-hmm.
stop learning whatever.
Right. So
Okay.
from I think from this chat, I knew your English is quite fluent. How did you study English, Miss
I
Harlany?
many years ago, many years
Uh-huh.
ago, uh, I was joined the English class, but actually, if you have but this language, if you have to use it.
Yeah, to
That's
practice.
why I would like to join this class so I can use it.
Yeah,
Uh,
use the opportunity to talk.
yes, yes. And
Not,
then
uh-huh.
many years ago, we are joined the Rotary Club, and we
Mm-hmm.
have exchange student from other country, and then we also exchange friends from other country to
Mm-hmm.
stay with us for the for the adult. We stay up about 1 or 2 weeks, so that's just we can practice our English.
Right. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah.
Yes,
So
we had a
actually,
lot of friends.
yeah. Before some of my students, they are British, Japanese, who learn. They want to learn Indonesian language. We always learn with fun. So we go to restaurant, we practice over there ordering the food, and we learn while we are eating. So I think learning language we can do with fun though. That's why I encourage you here to talk, yeah, to practice. So thank you, Miss Harlani, for sharing with us.
You're welcome.
Uh-huh. So any other people who wants to share? I know from Lily Mulyani, I plan to go to my daughter-in-law village in Limpung. Oh, Limpung, near Semarang. Oh, there are many emping ya, emping, melinjo in Limpung ya. Oh yeah, there are villages which make emping melinjo. Oh, okay, I didn't read before. Okay, so yes, actually, we sell. I mean, my brother and my mother, they sell emping from Limpung though. So the brand is Cap Angsa. So we sell emping. We took it from Limpung last time. Nice to know that your daughter-in-law is live in Limpung, yeah. So is she also producing emping melinjo,
Yes,
Miss Lily? Yeah,
yes.
right.
Her, her parents make something that
Sorry.
her parents
Oh, her parents. Uh,
their
mhm. Your voice is on and off. Yes, Miss Lily.
yes. It's
Just
less.
yeah, just now your voice is on and off.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, maybe the internet connections. Yeah.
Yes, maybe.
So yeah, what I understand your daughter's parents produce emping. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, nice. So maybe we can do some transactions. So thank you, Miss Lily. And any other people want to share? Oh yeah, Mr. Putu staying at home is fun too. Miss, how I don't know how to feel staying at home is fun because for me sometimes it's boring because you know in my home there are a lot of stuff, so sometimes I want to go just stay at go somewhere to stay at the hotel. Okay, I let you talk. You unmute by yourself. Can you unmute by yourself, Mr. Putu? Hello. I still cannot hear you. Oh, you can't. Mr. Tony, can you help to unmute Mr. Putu?
Oke, oke.
Okay. So can you try again, Mr. Putu?
Hi, Miss Lucia.
Hi.
Yeah, I think staying at home is fun too because I have gathered with my friend. We do like stay in one place of my friend house, and then
Mhm.
we just gather in one of the house, and then baking some seafood or make a seafood satay. We can buy around my village because it is our tradition in the village every Christmas day or it's going to be the New Year day. We do like a gather in one place e- or even we make like a house for staying in the beside of the street, miss.
All right.
Yeah, we make like a place for staying for some people there, and we make like a roof from the it's like what's the name, not like a, it's the proof like the roof like paper or something, yeah,
What?
paper.
Can you write so I can search in the internet? I want to see what is that.
Yeah, write down, miss, you mean?
Yeah, type it in a chat because I cannot hear clearly.
Mm. Yeah, you can search Bali
Oh,
Bengong in Bali.
Bengong
Bengong,
in
yeah,
Balai Bengong in Bali.
yeah.
Okay, and go on.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Yeah,
and then
yeah, we do like a gather. We make the this house start from middle of December until the end of December, and then we do like baking some seafood or making seafood satay until
uh-huh.
the 30 December is coming, and then we do like buy some fire. What is kembang api, miss? Fire
Oh, firecrackers. Oh,
fire, yeah. We make like and then we turn on when the 1st January is coming. Yeah, that is my routinity. That's why I call staying at home is fun to miss because we can gather with our friend or family,
mm-hmm.
and then we eating together and have fun.
Barbecue, doing the
Yeah,
barbecue,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. That sounds nice, miss. Actually,
Right. So this is the Balai Bengong. Is it like
yeah,
this?
yeah, like this.
Oh,
we
I
made we make it
see.
we made it from the building from, oh, you can choose this one is
Which one?
the the white one, the white roof, yeah, this
This one?
on the right side, right
Oh,
one.
okay. Hang on, it's loading. Why it takes ages? Okay, I just zoom it here. Then.
Yeah, beside it, the white
Oh,
one.
okay. Oh, this one?
Yeah, yeah, like this, but
Oh,
the
that's
roof
so
is not,
nice, yeah.
yeah, like this.
Wow,
Mhm.
so cool.
We make it from the wood, and then
Uh-huh.
we 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 use, it's like wood and then string for
Uh, it's like
like,
for the rope, yeah,
yeah,
to tie them up.
for the rope, yeah, and then yeah,
Uh-huh.
we do use the the curtain actually, Miss. Curtain.
Oh, curtain like that.
Yeah, curtain.
Right. Yes, that's very
Mm.
nice.
But the curtain
So,
is from the coconut leaf, Miss.
right. Wow. Excellent. Yeah.
The traditional building.
Right. Wow. Fantastic. Okay.
Yeah.
That's fun. That's how do you call stay at home.
Yeah, it's fun too, Miss.
Right. Yeah. So, and with like green surrounding. Yeah.
Yeah, greens. Yeah, yeah. That's nice.
Yeah. I like it that too though. So, any other plan trips, Mr. Putu?
Sorry, Miss.
Any other uh, plan
Um,
to spend your holiday?
uh, I think I'll do the vacation, Miss, not the staycation, because sometimes
Mm-hmm.
at 30th of December, maybe I'd like to go to the visit the Sanur Beach, the
Oh,
white sand
soccer
beach in
fields.
Bali. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
to make to see the sea view, the hotel in a Grand Bali Beach view, and then we take a picture. Maybe, yeah, maybe that's will I do, Miss, before the uh this end of the December.
Right, that's nice. So from
And
Nata, uh-huh, Nalita, it
yeah,
says, wow, nice holiday, Putu. She said that. And
I
from
heard.
Mrs. Irene, she said that I heard that the Balai Bengong or Pendopo here is made of wood or coconut tree.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right, yeah?
We make it from the wood of coconut tree, and then for the roof, we do
Uh-huh.
use like the coconut leaf actually, Miss.
Oh, yeah, I think it's like this,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yep, yep. That's right.
Oh, that's nice.
The wood, yeah.
Right. So it's fresh, yeah, compared to using the tanah liat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, when you compare with this one, I prefer with just now. With this also nice. Yeah.
Yeah. We made it behind the street actually, Miss.
Behind the street.
The street, yep.
Oh, I see. So you still
Every
can
street.
hear the sound of the motorcycle or the
Yeah,
cars.
of course. We do like a yeah, because it's I think it's it's normal in Bali, Miss, because some of us we do like a group in
Uh-huh.
Bali, and every New Year we made like a coconut wood. We used to make a building house in the beside of the street. It's every 1 kilometer, Miss, because we do like a we have our own group where we need to, and then when the New Year is coming, we will make a sound. The speaker is too high, it's very high. The sounds,
Oh,
Miss. Yeah.
right. That's really interesting.
Yeah,
Okay. So any
Miss, you can.
other any
Okay,
other topic do you want to share with us,
lucky you,
Mr. Putu?
Putu. You don't have to go anywhere. Bali is already the vacation place.
Yeah,
Bali is everyday holiday favorite place.
right.
Yeah,
Nice sharing.
yeah. Everything in the name of holiday is happy. Yeah.
Iya,
We don't
Antarian.
need go to stay at hotel or villa in Bali. I think, Miss, because Bali has a lot of the vacation place like the beach, white sand beach. We do have
Mhm.
a Sanur beach with the white sand beach, and then like a Pandawa beach,
Never
the
been
white sand
there.
beach. Yeah, and then we do like a jungle vacation. It's like in Kintamani,
Jungle?
jungle vacation.
Oh, jungle.
Yeah, jungle vacation in Kintamani,
Oh,
and the forest as well. And then we do have like a garden in Bedugul, you know?
uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
I still
garden.
remember
Yeah,
Bedugul. Bedugul
yeah,
is
Bedugul.
quite cold, yeah?
Yeah, very good. I think it's in Kintamani is very more cool than
Kintamani
Badugul,
is
I think.
colder, yeah.
Yeah, colder.
I
And
see.
then and then in the also we have sea view, the garden view, forest view, and then in Badugul we also have a Tamlingan view, the lake view.
Yes,
Yeah,
this one
yeah,
Bedugul.
yeah. That's why
So beautiful, yeah.
yeah.
So beautiful because
That's why
uh-huh.
I said to you in Bali we don't need to stay in the vacation or staycation. We just visit the vacation. It's like heaven actually, miss.
Exactly. So you are
Yeah,
lucky you stay in a paradise.
yeah.
Yeah. Wow. I want to come here again because I went here when I was in a primary school at that time and it was cloudy. So we didn't spend much time in Bedugul last time. So next time when I come here, I want to visit here. Oh yeah, here from Mrs. Irene, I have a
Yeah.
big and tall coconut tree at home, and we plan to cut it as it is already too tall. You want it, Mr. Putu?
Yeah, that's every day I do. Yeah, every Sunday actually. Later in the evening, sometimes I'm going to the beach to find
Mhm.
the coconut, and we do like need the coconut water and also the inside of the coconut. That's very delicious.
All right,
Yeah,
I see.
that's why
From
Miss
uh-huh.
Irene said like that. He is true. She is true.
I see. Okay. So from Lily, Arung Jeram, Mr. Putu.
Arung jeram.
Uh-huh.
I think some of the arung jeram is like and the arung jeram in Badung, I think, miss.
Uh-huh.
Di Sungai Ayung, yeah, Sungai Ayung, Ayung
Oh,
River in
I see.
Badung. We do like a arung jeram and also the what's the name? It's like arung jeram and then in the jungle, yeah,
Mhm.
it's waterfall as well.
All
Waterfall as well.
right.
Yeah.
I see. So here from Sundari, Bali now is crowded, yeah, Mr. Putu. Because last month my friend told me that Bali is quite quiet when he did the wedding photograph from
Um.
Bali. Uh-huh.
Yeah. I think it's going to be end of the year. Some of
Mhm.
the local tourists visit the hotel or villa in Bali, and they come start from 1st of the December and staying until end of the December or the Christmas. Yeah, it's
Mm,
crowded now, miss.
it's crowded.
Because I
I
think
see.
our international airport is already open. Is that right, miss?
I don't know. I
Yeah,
haven't
because
read that one.
yeah, I've been seeing on the Balinese account, a real account of Balinese. It's like a Bali info.
Uh-huh.
They said the our international airport is open start from 1 December. That's why many guests already
Oh,
go the Bali. Yeah.
right. So are you working right now?
No, I still
Not
not
yet?
miss. I
Oh,
hope
yes,
to
not.
soon.
Yeah, I hope soon.
Yeah.
Okay. So from Miss
Marlina.
Herlani, hi Putu. Maybe someday we can meet each other. Usually I have morning walk at the Sanur Beach. Yes, that's
Yeah.
a good idea.
Yeah. It that's a good walking in the morning in the sun. Actually, Miss Herlani, and beside the morning, we do like a walking at evening or the afternoon, and then not just walking, we also can rent the motorbike or the bicycle. We can go around the Bali Beach Hotel. That's very nice hotel in Bali, the biggest hotel in Bali, miss.
All right.
It
Yeah.
the Ina Grand Bali Beach has the I think 10th floor. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
10th floor in
I
Bali.
see.
That is the very famous hotel in Bali, our biggest hotel with the EINNA group, INA group.
In a group. I
Yeah,
see. Oh
and
yeah.
INA group. Mm,
Mr. Putu or Mrs. Harlani, I want to ask you because in my group chat, someone said there are two people of her friends got possessed by the, maybe I don't know, the spirit or the devil. Jadi kesurupan, possess. How to cure them?
Oh, I think, Miss, about my opinion, I think they do like something wrong in around the place.
Maybe they
Yeah,
disobey or
yeah,
disrespect
yeah,
the culture, or
yeah.
I don't know how to say
They don't follow the
the rules.
the rules of the place they stayed, and then
How to
how to
cure,
fix how to
to
cure it. I
heal.
think um um biasanya kalau ada orang kesurupan di suatu tempat tuh, Miss,
Mm-mm.
mereka datang ke orang pintar setempat, atau di istilahnya di Bali itu pemangku kan,
Yeah.
pasti diketahui sama pemangkunya, dia kenapa, ada salah tindakan atau salah perkataan gitu, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Eh, s- eh, Mungkin bisa diberikan tirte oleh pemangkunya, terus kembali dah normal tuh, mungkin agak lemas dulu, Miss. Ya,
All right.
ya,
Yeah.
because that sometimes happen for the outside guests visited the Bali, Miss. It's
All
always
right.
happen. Yeah,
Oh, have you ever seen those guys who are possessed?
of course, Miss. Me,
Right.
I have a temple, a small temple in my home, at my
Mm-hmm.
house, and then we do in Bali, we do have like a group of the temple. We have the
Mm-hmm.
small temple every house, and then we
Yeah.
gather and pray in one biggest temple in our area. Some of the participants also get kesurupan, Miss.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see. It's so
Miss, I
scary,
feel,
yeah.
yeah, it's very scary, Miss, because dia mengaku kayak gini, Miss. Dia mengaku bahwa kita semua tuh melakukan kesalahan, bahwa
Mm-hmm.
dia tuh adalah yang stay di temple kita, jadi kita harus hormat gitu, Miss.
Oh, penunggunya ya.
Ya, menunggu, tapi kita tidak yakin karena our temple near from the forest, Miss.
Oh,
We are afraid if they like ghost from the forest. It sometimes happen, Miss.
I see.
Ya, ghost from the forest, I think mereka sering ngaku kalau dia itu adalah panutan kita dan merasuki beberapa orang pada saat kita sembahyang. Tapi
Mm-hmm.
karena ada pemangku, Miss, jadinya mereka kayak ya bisa dikendalikan gitu, Miss.
Oh, okay. So everything under control, yeah.
Ya, under
I
control.
see. Yeah,
I'm sorry if I use the Indonesia, Miss, di bahasa.
it doesn't matter though
Yeah,
because
because how to say this word is very little bit difficult actually.
kesurupan, if I'm
Yeah,
not mistaken, is like possessed by the devil.
yeah,
So the
kesurupan, and I
devil,
say the panutan, and then
uh-huh,
pemangku. What is in English? I'm not really sure what in English.
I see.
Yeah,
Right. So that's really interesting to hear from
oh,
you,
yeah,
Mr. Putu. And then Miss Tarin said, you make us want to holiday, maybe to go to ini ya, to Bali. And for Marliana, kalau leak apa Mr. Putu? So
yeah.
what
It's kind of Balinese ghost actually, Miss.
Balinese ghost?
Ghost, yeah.
Oh, I see. Is it danger?
But this is y- some of them, because we di- we di- we divide. It's like a white layak, and then the
Uh-huh.
red layak, and then the a black layak. We believe that red and black layak is the dangers, and then the white is holy layak.
Safest.
They
Oh,
the holy one, they didn't hurt anyone, and then the black and also the red, they are dangerous and they hurt people, I think.
I see. Yeah, from
Yeah,
Marliana
I believe.
also, the view of the bedugul dipakai di lembaran mata uang rupiah. Actually, this one, yeah. So you
Yeah,
can see here. So that's the
yeah,
bedugul. Yeah,
50th 50,000. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So what will be the next topic? Any other idea, suggestions?
What is good? I think, Miss.
Sorry,
Sorry,
What
excuse
is
me.
good? I think
Hello.
what is good? Oh,
Oh,
everything is good, yeah?
someone is talking. I think.
Yes, someone is talking. Can you
Yes,
repeat?
it's me. Yeah, can I ask you something,
Oh,
Putu?
Miss Marlina. I think.
Sure.
Oh,
No, I'm Irene. Hello,
Yes,
Putu. Can
oh,
you hear
Irene.
me?
yes.
Can you
Yeah,
hear
yeah.
me,
Of course,
Putu?
Miss Irene.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Of course.
Do you know the top part of the coconut tree? The very top part, ujung sekali, paling tinggi.
Yeah, of course. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I
Of
heard
course.
that
Yeah.
that part is nice to eat. Have you tried that? The very top part, yeah. You know, when they cut the
Top part of
tree,
the coconut.
yeah, very top,
Mm-hmm.
the top one, the top part. You have to you can try it if someone's cut the tree. If you see someone cutting the tree, you know, you can take the top part of it.
And
I was told that that is the best part of the tree of the wood.
to eat?
It's good. Yeah, it's good to eat and to cook.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, I have a neighbor here. She was
Mm-hmm.
living in some island where there were many coconut trees. So when the trees are already tall enough, so they have to cut them.
Right.
They are afraid about this, you know, the what you call that,
They will fall. I mean,
yeah, you know, guntur. What is guntur?
oh,
I can't remember.
Oh, the storm. Storm, I think.
Not the kilat,
Oh,
sambar
kilat.
kilat.
Oh,
Yeah.
the
So
lightning.
if it
Lightning.
is too tall, it's
that
dangerous,
lightning.
you know. If it is the
Yeah.
rainy seasons, so there are lots of the storms. So the trees will be fallen and then harm many people, right? So they have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
cut them. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Some.
the one in my house now is already tall. It's about 8 or 9 meters tall.
Mm.
So I think it needed cutting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
yeah, and one of my neighbors already asked me to give that top part for her.
Oh,
Yeah, I
okay.
don't know. That's why I asked you, have you ever tried that one? Have you?
Okay.
Oh, me.
Not yet, I guess.
Yeah, not yet
You don't
because
even know if it
I
is
Yeah.
nice
know, but I'll
or
never
delicious.
try it. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll never try it again.
So,
Oh,
Because we just
yeah,
we
you just drink
yeah,
the
top
drink the
coconut
part.
water, drink the
water
coconut
and
and
the meat.
then
Yeah, okay.
the meat inside of the coconut, and then we do like we use the young leaf coconut to make a
Oh yeah.
canang, yeah, and then
Mm-hmm.
the old one we also can use, we call it a slepan,
Okay.
and
Or
then
maybe I heard that you are so young, maybe
yeah,
only
me,
20
yeah,
years.
yep, of
That's
course
why.
I
Yeah,
am
yeah.
19. I
And
am 19.
yeah, you see. So maybe you need more experiences.
Yeah,
Right.
of course.
Okay.
And one more
So,
thing,
Yep.
maybe you
uh-huh.
know, you talk about the leak and all the processed things, right? So I had an experience in Bali a very long time when I was still at school. So I traveled to Bali with friends, and then I
Mhm.
love shopping, and then sightseeing. I mean, yeah, I love seeing the
sightseeing, yep.
the statues, you know, statues, patung-patung. Yeah, there
Yeah,
are
statues.
lots in
Yeah,
Bali, right? So when I
Yeah,
entered one of the shops there, you know, the shopkeeper, I don't know if whether he was the owner of the shop or the only shopkeeper, and he asked me, I mean, to choose any statues I like. Yeah,
Oh,
and then he said that I didn't have to pay anything, but change the statue with my ring.
oh,
You know,
Oh,
I think
have you heard
Miss
about that? I
Mrs.
don't
Irene,
know. Yes.
maybe we can discuss it next week because I have another students after this. Actually, that's
Okay,
really interesting, and so that will be our we continue, yeah, Mr. Putu. So you
The
yeah.
time's up. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Sorry.
So
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
So Miss Irene, I
Yeah.
welcome you to share this your experience, yeah, and
Next week. Okay.
yeah, next week. And yeah, from Marliana also the questions jika ada
Next
pohon
week,
beringin.
let's we talk a lot of Bali.
Yes, from Mariana also, maybe
Yeah.
Mr. Putu, you can
Yep.
prepare for the answer. Jika ada pohon beringin selalu dipakaikan kain hitam putih. Kenapa? Karena ya itu. So
I have the answer. I have the answer. Yep.
Yes, so maybe you can share it next week. Yeah. Okay. So
Yep,
thank
of
you.
course.
Thank you everyone for joining us. So we see you next week with please share your experience. Yeah, I want to know, and if you have the picture, please prepare it in advance.
Yeah,
So,
I will miss.
Okay, sure. So have a great Sunday. Bye bye.
You too. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Tony. Have a nice day. Bye
You
bye.
too.
Bye. Thank you.
You.